Hey guys, Hot Fire MTG here at the beach.
And Tage.
Tage is kicking around today.
Oh, yeah.
So we got a quick one for you today.
That's what she said. Oh, hopefully not. Oh.
Yeah, I checked that out. Anyway, yeah, we got Ultimate Masters. So this is just the blister pack from the Walmart, the old Walmart blisters. So this was going for about 60 bucks Canadian. So, you know, I just thought I'd pick it up just to see. So anyway, let's get right into this.
Yeah, it's not really worth holding on to. It's just 3 packs. If you're gonna buy one of these, you might as well just open it. Just gamble. Do you need some help there? You good? No?
I thought it was childproof, but no, I got into it. So I think we got 2 lilies, 1 Karn.
Well, we know it's 2 lilies, but the Lily. Oh yeah.
And the boyfriend.
All right.
All right.
Which one are you gonna open first?
Let's do it, guys.
I really hope you.
Wait, does this got the pull tabs?
Good. Yeah. So $60. We're looking for
$20 packs.
That's.
Oh!
What? Dude. Noble Hierarch first pack. How much is that?
My
How much
God.
is that? Like $100?
Should be.
Holy Christ. You just made your money on the first pack.
Whoa.
What a sweet video. Get that up there in the middle.
She's
Show it
in.
off.
She's in.
Wow. You just made your money first pack, buddy. First card, first pack.
Holy crap.
Like, wow. That's
I'm
amazing.
like, wow, that's a...
That is awesome.
Oh, and a dig through time. Okay. All right. A dig through time. Holy crap.
Rare out of 3 packs.
Oh.
Thank you, Walmart.
Yeah, dig through time. Got a Murderous Red Cap, Stinger Fling, Malevolent Whifflers. We don't care about the comments.
Wow. This is already a great video.
Whoa. All right.
So,
can we get crazier?
Beach gambled and he won.
Crow of Dark Tidings. Into Containment Priest. Okay.
No, not too bad.
Not amazing, but you know what?
Yeah.
Not the worst thing I've ever seen.
You've already paid for your blister pack.
Yep. We got a Caretaker, Garnet Bloodflip. So weird they put this in. Iridescent Drake, and then Fiery Tempers, and on the commons, Aether Snipe, yada yada yada. All right, going into pack 3. Wow. Alrighty, come on, Lily. Lily or Karn? Lily or Karn? Something spicy. Something spicy. Whoop. Got a Deranged Assistant. All right. Nourishing Shoal. All right. Well, thank God for the Noble Hierarch. And then we're into Phoenix. Hey, Young Peasy. Not bad. Chainer's Edict. There's 2 of the really good uncommons, actually. Oh, Terramorphic Expanse. Buy it out. Buy out Terramorphic. Just kidding. All right, guys. That's it for today. Nice quick one.
Oh, that's the box topper. Hold on.
Nice quick one there, guys.
$75 for... $70 for an Ultimate Masters Noble Hierarch in foil. $69.99.
That is awesome.
That is awesome. That is awesome.
Best rare in the set, foil. All right, guys. Have yourself a good day. And as always, hit subscribe. Do the like thing.
Leave us a comment.
Yeah.
Let us know if you've cracked any of these. What have you found? Anything cool?
Yeah. All right, boys and girls, aliens, potatoes.
Later, guys.
Bye.